Next question says that any cost that remains unchanged as output changes represents a firm's A, marginal cost, B, opportunity cost, C, fixed cost, or D, variable cost. Again, a definition question. For our purposes here, you're not going to have to, I mean, even if you didn't know definitions, you could probably guess that C, fixed cost, is something that would be the correct answer here. It's a cost that is not dependent on any production value. It's fixed at all levels. And so fixed cost is the right answer here. The producer said that fixed cost as well, and they say during the short run, the producer faces two types of costs. One is the fixed cost and the other is variable cost. Fixed cost, as the name advocates, remains fixed or constant at every quantity of output produced, i.e. it does not change with the change in the level of output. Fixed costs cannot be changed during the short run. It can never be zero even when production is stopped. Fixed costs are incurred even when output is zero. All right.